Hello everyone. I want to show you something that I believe it's Synergia Zeltkons just posted on my group, and it regards something called sticky notes. We put sticky notes on our computer or on our keyboard or on our steno machines, but she was showing a picture of her screen where she has to the right of her steno or her computer program the sticky notes over here. So I'm on Windows 8. You can do this on Windows 7. If you go down to Start, type in the word sticky note, hit enter. You see that a sticky note pops up over here, or it pops up on the window. Now what you can do is, like for instance, I'll just put a couple of little sticky notes in there. I want to use, for instance, Final FPLT for the word has, and I want to use the Final TD for they and phrases. So I can load this thing up, and I can put stuff in here and and just keep adding to it, and you see that it just gets bigger and bigger as I just keep adding stuff too. And I can back it out and continue on, and over here I can have my real time going along and running real time, and if I want to look at something, I could look over here on my sticky note and look at different phrases that I may have put in here that I want to work on. You can kind of let your imagination run wild with it, and you can, I believe, let's just see if this works. I don't know if you can make two of them or not. I didn't mess around with it long enough to experiment with that to see. But you get the idea here. This gives you a sticky note to stick over here on the right side of your screen and give you some options. There are, here it is down here. You go down to the sticky note icon on your taskbar and type in new note, and there it goes. It drops in you another window, and you can type in other things like maybe STPHAO is Mr. Smith or whatever, and you can make it bigger if you want to. You can expand it and make it larger, make it as small as your right margin is. So it looks like here on this one I can, nope, it is what it is. It starts off at that width, and you can't make it any smaller. You can definitely make it larger. So I don't take credit for this find, but I wanted to share it with you all to show you how you can use a sticky note. So once again, go to here to your start button and type in the word sticky note. And when you do, it will pop up over here a little window for you on wherever you want to put it. You can then drag the sticky note wherever you'd like to. And if you'd like to have more than one note, you can go down to the sticky note itself, and if you right click on it, you can click on new note, and it will give you another window, and you can put that one down here. Now when you're ready to close this out, do you want to delete or save? We don't want to delete it. We want to leave it up there. I believe that you can copy and paste stuff into this window and add stuff to it as you go along. And if nothing else, you can leave them up there so that they'll stay on the screen. Doesn't look like there's anything else you can do with it at this point. You could pin this down to your taskbar so that it is always down here, and you don't have to go out and find it or whatever. You can just pin it down here, and then when you start your real time or you start your practice session or whatever, you can just have it pop open. So that is Sticky Note, and that's how it works. I just noticed something here. Here's the New Note button up here. Also, the speed key is Control N for new. So you can click that one, and there's your new note. So you can put another note down here. And we've got 4 notes open here to give you an idea of how to use sticky notes. So that is that. I'm going to click on No to delete. It keeps it up there. I'm going to click on Yes, and it deletes that one. I can move it up. I can delete Yes. So you can delete those out, or you can save them on your computer screen. I did an experiment to see if they'll actually save on there when you launch the computer again, but if not, you can use your notepad or WordPad and maybe grab things you're working on and throw them up over here and save them to be able to work on your next session. So that's a Sticky Note, and it works in Windows 7 and also in Windows 8. I hope that helps. And thanks again to, I think it's Synergia Zelkons, for this little tip.